what's gonna happen next, but I have faith that it's gonna be amazing. It's kind of insane how I fit all of this stuff in a studio apartment. And I'm like, it's minimalism for me, but maybe I just don't know how to handle abundance, or my like systems are not there yet. Like I need better systems for organizing and storing stuff. So I think I'm gonna go off the pile system for now, which is where I group like items together. And then once I have them and like see how much I have, I'm gonna go on the search for storage bins, clear ones, so I see what's inside. Otherwise, I'll just be digging through stuff. And today it took me so long because I feel like my system was just, okay, start with one task, and then you see another task and you do that one, and then you're like, wait, I have to go back to that task that I was doing. So I don't know if following things in order makes sense for me, or if it's totally fine to be in that type of flow. Oof. But I am feeling pretty good. I'm tired, taking a bread break. Yeah, it's just a lot right now, and I need to sort through some things in my brain. I think it's going good. It's going pretty good. It's just overwhelming right now, but it'll be better. I think that like after today and tomorrow, it'll be perfect. Like I'll have a lot of basic stuff done. I think also because everything's just like in the middle of the floor. Crazy. But yeah, once I like mop and like stack boxes against the wall and like move my furniture around a little bit in the way that I want it to be, I'll feel a lot better. But moving kind of sucks. I mean, it's fun. I love being in a new environment and having my own place. You know, being in a 1-bedroom apartment that is pretty freaking big. This is really nice, but moving by yourself, and I'm so glad I had friends that helped me yesterday. But today I was like moving just a little bit of stuff, and I thought it was just a little bit of stuff, but it like turned out to be a lot. I was just like, damn, this is hard. Doing shit by yourself is hard. What the hell? And you know, I'm sure there are people that want to help me, but like my friends are working, and I'm just like, fuck. I could hire people. I think next time if I move, I'm definitely hiring movers. Like I love my friends, I love having them help me, but it's just a lot. And learning how to delegate. Like I was in my own process working, and then my friends were asking me what to do, and I was just like, yeah, just load stuff in, whatever, like it doesn't matter, however it fits. But yeah, well, Cat's kind of happy. He's really curious today. He's exploring the space a lot more. I'm excited to get a big comfy couch. I want like a cloud couch dupe. So if you know of any, let me know. I think I saw one on IKEA. I think the reviews were mixed on that. Like they said it lost shape pretty easily, but I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see. I also want to be more intentional with my stuff in this apartment. Because when I was in the studio, I literally moved here with a backpack. I didn't have anything with me, so I had to buy everything new. And I didn't have a car, so everything had to be shipped. But now I have a car. Thank you, Sarah. And I can go like thrifting and vintage hunting. So I want to be more intentional and slowly curate stuff and like, you know, exchange like some of the things that I have with new to me items. But yeah, I just finished my bread, drinking a little like what, and I'm going to start somewhere. And the thing is, like, my process is I just kind of like pick one thing and I'm like, okay, pick that thing and then just see where it takes you. So yeah, and it's nice because I feel like doing things like this like gets my brain going, and I'm like simultaneously like unpacking but also thinking about my life and like certain things and situations and like solving problems, or like coming up with solutions or ideas and things like that. So yeah, I'm also super behind on my daily vlog content, like recording and also editing and uploading. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on that. All right, gonna chill for a little bit and then back to work.